Happy Family Day! It's the Family Day weekend here in Ontario. Basically, it's an excuse for the government to give us a stat holiday, so we are not complaining. Today, we're out on the trail biking in the middle of winter.
In the middle of winter. Leave it to us.
Where are we going?
Okay, so we've shown you the West Montrose covered bridge, aka the Kissing Bridge before. And we actually found out that there's an entire Kissing Bridge trailway, which takes you from Linwood, which is a little town out in the country, all the way to Guelph if you want to go all the way down there. It's about 44 kilometers in total. It's not a loop, it's just a straight trail. So if you do go down there, you have to come all the way back.
Right, so it actually sits on top of the Perth Harvest Rail Trail. So this is a historic trail that used to be a railway trail where they would ship the harvest all the way that way westward to Goderich, which is a town on the edge of Lake Huron?
I think so.
Something like that. So we're gonna bike this little one bit part of it and see how it goes.
Now you're probably wondering how the heck we're biking in the winter. We spontaneously found fat bikes at Costco and decided to buy them. So this is what they look like. They're really funny looking. Look how thick these tires are. They're so funny. But they work in the snow. You can see it works. All right, let's get on these bikes and get going. So much fun. So one thing we noticed right off the bat, if you gear down, it's way easier and you don't sink into the snow as much. Deep over there. Okay, this is really confusing because the trail says that no motorized vehicles are allowed, but half of it, the first like half of it over there, seems like it's set up for snowmobiling. So we've been sharing the trail with snowmobiles, which is okay, everybody's being respectful, but now they branch off and go one way, and the trail continues this way. And it looks pretty fresh, like it doesn't look like people have been on this, so I guess we'll see how this goes.
Holy moly! The last 500 meters was really hard.
The snow is really deep, and when it's deep, your bike just sinks right down.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how hard you pedal, you kind of just stay exactly where you are.
I think it took us longer to do the last 500 meters than the first 2 kilometers.
Yes.
Oh man, it is so peaceful out here though, and it is such a beautiful day to be out and like getting fresh air.
Yeah, this trail sits basically between 2 plots of farmland, and it has been like that the whole entire like 3 kilometers we've gone down. Yes, I know, it's not very far that we went, but it was very hard.
Andy looked at his watch, he's like, we've only done 3K.
Yeah. So we're deciding whether or not to try the next stretch because we don't know how much better or worse it's gonna be. But before we do that, I think we need a break.
All right, Andy, should we have a snack?
Yeah, let's do it.
Whip it out. All right, we're using our Unigear water pack here. We've actually got water in the top compartment using the water bladder that came with it. And we have protein bars. We really like these pure protein with coconut. So we have some of those in here. Just gotta zip this back up now. Coconut. Cheers. Oh, you already ate it.
It's hard.
It's cold. All right, that was definitely a workout. After going all the way down and trudging in the snow for a while, by the time we were halfway back this way, I was tired. I think it's time for us to head back home, get warm, and eat some food and drink some water. But overall verdict on fat biking, it's fun as hell.
Oh man, who knew that going 5.5, 6 kilometers can be so hard? It's honestly though, fat biking is crazy fun. Definitely give it a try if you can. Now we're starving.
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat.